We're going to move over to your right side, and we're going to try to see your ovaries.
Hanqi Miao is a donor waiting to see if an infertile couple is interested in buying her egg.
As you can see, you have the potential to make a lot of eggs.
Although the thought of helping a couple have a child is her main motivation for being an egg donor, she'll be the first to admit the money is definitely a factor.
It's a plus. I mean, who doesn't want extra money in your hand?
The going rate to be an egg donor in New York? Around $5,000. Now New York State plans to pay women that same amount to donate their eggs for stem cell research.
New York is at the forefront. This is just another step.
State Health Commissioner Richard Daines is on the Empire State Stem Cell Board. They recently voted to allow taxpayer money to compensate women for giving their eggs for research. New York is the first state to do so.
One of the things that's needed to move this science forward is the availability of human oocytes, human eggs. And although there have been some specimens available from women who donate for reproductive purposes, that's really not suitable.
Not suitable because eggs for reproduction are taken from healthy women. But researchers need eggs from women with a particular genetic disease in order to study it.
If a stem cell researcher is interested in something related, let's say to sickle cell disease, which we know is genetic, they might then say, we're looking for women who carry this particular gene or combination of genes, and we would like to allow reimbursement if those women will donate.
So the whole thing in aggregate can be as big as a small grapefruit.
And most doctors agree unless you compensate women for the months of discomfort to extract eggs, they're unlikely to sign up for the process.
As you could understand, that'll be a little uncomfortable.
But critics like Father Thomas Berg say this plan could potentially exploit women in need of cash.
This puts women in a position where they will consider doing something that they would not otherwise do except for the money.
There's also the issue, will this lead to embryonic stem cell research, which some consider destroying a life?
This is aimed at a broader project of using embryonic human life as raw material for research.
As for New York taxpayers, polls show about 70% of them are for embryonic stem cell research and don't mind taxpayer funding going towards it. Now, whether that means compensating women thousands of dollars each to donate their eggs, many scientists say, why not?
If it is ethical to pay women for their eggs for fertility treatment, why isn't it ethical to pay women for their eggs for a societal good such as research into stem cell?
Born in Japan, moved to China.
Hanqi Miao says she understands why some women would choose to donate their eggs for research, but it's just not for her.
It's just I value the meaning of life. Actually, you are giving a life, a living person to a family, and it means, it just somehow means more for me.
We thank you very much for helping us with this.
All right, no problem.
I'm very grateful.
Bonnie Ghosh, The Associated Press, New York.
All right, sure.
Thank you.